Ace Ventura 2 is the GOAT for me. Nice, brother. Dude. You're not joking on that. When Ace Ventura came to VHS, after it got out of the theaters, me and my best friend and my older brother, who's a few months older than me, we went and rented it. And I shit you not, we watched it like 13 times in a row. Just hit the rewind button at the end, go all the way back to the beginning, start again. 13 times in a row on a weekend, we watched Ace Ventura: When Nature Calls. Such an awesome movie. I still love it to this day. Classic. My favorite. One of my favorites.